how to log out Telegram account from your device or remove your Telegram account from your device. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Then after, over here you can see a three-dot icon. Tap on it. Here you can see settings option at the bottom. Tap on it. There you can see at the top right corner three dot. Tap on it. There you can see the option of logout. Then after, tap on logout. If you are bored or you don't want that account anymore, then you can always log out of it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. Make sure you tap on logout. Then after, there you can see the option of add another account, set a passcode, clear cache, change phone number, contact support. But tap on this red logout icon. Tap on it. Then they'll again ask you for if you want to log out. So tap on logout. Like that, you have logged out your Telegram account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.